I have a friend who owns a local marketing agency in our country. He recently visited Dubai and wanted to meet new people and just connect and maybe get some work. After he came back, told me that he found one person who wanted to work with this agency. The unique thing about all of this is that what he asked for them to do is not the basic marketing things that you would imagine from someone in Dubai. It's not about like helping them take pictures and just run ads and so on. It was something completely different. He told the guys that, hey, please, can you make me an AI personal brand in the crypto niche where I don't have to show up, I don't have to do anything, I don't have to record videos, and I just get some followers and I build a brand in the crypto niche without my own face, without my own actions. And I was like, okay, this is not new and this is not a new idea, but it haven't been really done before. And I asked my friend, did you take it? What did you say to him? And he said that he wanted to take this. This really made me think, because the world is of course heading towards AI, and a lot of people are dropping new things in this personal branding space as well. A lot of AI thumbnail designers, AI video editors, AI scriptwriters, I don't know. It's everything is dropping right now. But here's why I think that AI won't replace video creators, and this comes from my experience of building personal brands. Yes, on this channel I don't have a ton of viewers, I don't have a ton of subscribers, but I've been building personal brands for I don't even know. I worked with people like Sebastian Georgiou, and I came into brands, and after 1 month we increased their views 700%, not on short form, on long form. So this is what I do. I build personal brands, especially on YouTube. So I see what is going on and I see these new things that come up. It would be stupid to say that AI doesn't have a chance and this crypto brand wouldn't even work. But this feels like the thing where the newcomers and the new people have a chance, but after that, the saturation creates a demand for another thing. For example, on Twitter and or X, replies became very popular because if you have a small following, replying to other people and engaging with others is a good way for people to find you and to see you and find what you do currently. And all you have to do is just reply to the right people and actually reply good things. But of course, people are lazy and they wanted to automate that. And with the help of AI, it's quite easy. It's quite easy to do content that is written and you don't have to do videos. I know you can make videos, but right now, text is so much easier, right? And so software came out which helps you answer and helps you reply to accounts with AI and make it faster. If you are somebody who starts using this, you will have success because you have such leverage over others, because others are writing comments themselves, but you are using AI, which skyrockets your productivity, right? But then somebody else starts using this, and then somebody else starts using this, and somebody else, and somebody else. And after this wave, everybody starts using AI to reply to other people. And what this means is that if you post something, somebody with AI will reply, and then somebody with AI will reply back to that guy, and basically AIs will have a chat, right? So if we get to this stage, this is where authentic content will come back. And this is where authentic replies will matter more, because everybody's reply is so AI that you can just go in and actually care about and write a reply and people will notice that. And this is quite the same with all of this AI content. Right now, you may have success of creating an AI personal brand. Maybe the unique selling point of this personal brand is actually the AI that, hey, this is AI, but it won't last long because other people will find and get access to this and they will start building and building. And this means that authentic content will come back because people will get tired of seeing AI and seeing this pre-written content, right? Because if you are following someone, a personal brand, you are following them because you like them. You like the person that is behind the brand. This is why it's personal brand. It's in the name, right? And if you switch yourself with AI, that means that everybody else who switches themselves with AI will become the same brand. It's the same voice, same tone, and same things, right? The same things that AI will write. If this is the space where all you see is AI videos, somebody who actually cares about things and sits down and creates a video will become much more attractive to people because they haven't seen this. And this swinging is in everywhere in life. If you look at fashion, there's swinging as well. Once this is the cool stuff then this is the cool stuff, then again this, then again that. This is the same with content and what you see on YouTube as well. Right now, authentic content is just sitting down and talking came back. Before this, everybody edited their videos to the max and everybody created insanely well-produced videos. If everybody starts doing authentic content like this, we will start swinging back because people will appreciate the editing. People will appreciate the more production that people give to the video, so it will become more popular again. And then one creator will come and create authentic but good videos, and then we will go back to that way. So if you want to replace yourself with AI, you will lose. It doesn't matter if you have AI or no AI. If it don't care about you, they won't watch. But if you are building for yourself, which you should on YouTube, especially in 2025, you have to use AI, just not how you think. If you're like, oh, that's very good, I don't have to create thumbnails because there is a software that creates AI thumbnails for me, it won't work because somebody else with a thumbnail designer will create a better thumbnail in the same topic and people will watch that because it's a better thumbnail. And even though you spent 2 minutes, you got 200 views. So you rather spend 1 hour on it and get 1 million views, right? Or you rather pay a real designer and get 2 million views instead of just paying $19 a month and getting unlimited thumbnails, which are mediocre at best. So how do you actually use AI in this personal branding space? Very simple, actually. You just have to treat AI like it's an employee. It's like a multiplier for your inputs. So you put in 10 things and you get 50 things out of it because you used AI. And it's still your brain's input, but you get more output because AI helps you squeeze the lemon and squeeze your videos out and create more videos of it. And this way, you don't use AI to generate the content, you use AI to amplify the content and get more out of it. And this means that you don't have to spend as much time on it, but you still have to put your brain into the brand. It still has to be personal, you still have to have content creation skills and doing actually content creation, but you will get more out of it. So for example, you create long form video like this one, and this video can be turned into LinkedIn posts. Of course, you have to be knowledgeable in this space because if you just tell AI, hey, create me a LinkedIn post from this video, it will do shit. It doesn't understand your brand, it doesn't understand anything. So this is why you have to have a proper setup that we have been working on a lot for people and we have been implementing it for our clients. So if you are interested in building your personal brand with the best AI techniques and with the best team overall, so you don't have to spend a lot of time on it, you can spend very little time on it, but get a lot of content out of it and a lot of engagement and a lot of followers and a lot of leads for your business because that's the main goal, then just click on the link in the description and let's talk. But so back to the topic. After we implemented AI into our clients' brands, now they just have to record 1 or 2 videos and we can turn it into emails, we can turn it into LinkedIn posts, we can turn it into short form videos. This is just the top, this is just the most basic use case of AI because you don't want to use AI to write your scripts. You want to use AI to analyze other people's scripts. So still you are doing and your team is doing the actual execution, but AI is just there and helps you become more productive and helps you become more data focused and gives you more knowledge than anybody else in the team. And people would have to spend so much time on this research, on these things, but you can do it with AI. So now everything becomes much easier. Like a preparation for a YouTube video, for me, used to be a lot of research, used to be a lot of comment reading, used to be a lot of watching the videos and seeing what works and what doesn't work, and used to be a lot of thinking about the actual brand that we are creating for. But right now, if I find a good video and an interesting video, I just put in a link and I get a video analysis, I have a comment analysis, I have a lot of things that I get and I can then work off. So I don't have to go through all of this. AI does the work for you and I just have to think. And I just have to think, okay, I read the executive summary almost and I know, okay, what is going on, and I can still go back to the video. So it's not forbidden. I can still go back to the video and analyze for myself some stuff that I find interesting in the AI analysis. It just saves me so much time and it makes things that I wouldn't have done better. For example, I would have read a few comments about a video that is interesting, but now I can read 200 comments because AI can read all the comments and give me a summary of what was in these comments. So don't worry, AI won't replace you as a video creator or a personal brand. It will just make everything so much easier and so much better. You get information, you get more knowledge, but you still have to do the execution. And of course, every new technology starts this way. Like a new thumbnail generator that uses AI and you don't have to do anything, of course it will be shit in the first, I don't know, few years. We don't know what will happen after a few years, but right now, currently, what you have to do is just build your fucking brand so people start caring about you. And then later, after all this comes in, you can take advantage of it. Because if everything comes in and you take advantage of it, then nobody cares about you, then you won't really use all of the things available to you because okay, you don't have to do thumbnails, okay, you don't have to write the scripts, but you still get them views. When other people will get 100,000 views and still doesn't have to do the thumbnails, still doesn't have to do the scripts. But this is, I think, later because people generally need the connection, and the creator-based businesses are the ones that are thriving right now. These are the ones that kill it right now. So if you have the brand, it's obviously becomes much easier to do anything. So again, if you want to build your personal brand, especially focusing on YouTube, but still getting more videos out to the other platforms, just click the link in the description and let's talk, and I will see where your brand is right now and what you need.